Today, Glitch released some teasers for their upcoming indie pilot Knights of Guinevere. They launched a new website with a countdown for some big news. Let me explain. So up first, Glitch posted a new teaser image. It's very cool and quite ominous. Dana shared it, saying excited to be back, let's go. Shortly after, the Glitch Instagram put up a new story. It's COG themed with a link. If we click it, we're redirected to a new website called Park Planet. There's an image of the park and text saying to come back later. There's a countdown ticking down, meaning something will be revealed in 42 hours. It's pretty likely that this will be the reveal of a trailer, a release date, or the unveiling of this Park Planet website. Glitch has done this before with their previous shows like the Gaslight District and the Wacky Watch website. With this, we now know that Knights of Guinevere is nearly finished and is entering its marketing phase, which is crazy. Personally, I think it will come out in October. COG is a sci-fi horror series, so it makes sense to drop it near Halloween. Glitch will have all of September and October to dedicate to it, while the Digital Circus's final 3 episodes are in the works. What do you think? Are you excited? Let me know down below.